As soon as I step in the building, you know it's about that.
Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia-Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below and hit that post notification bell, not once but twice, so you can be notified when your girl is uploading. Like, duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you're not new to this channel, you already know the deal. As you guys can see from the title today, your girl is doing another BoxyCharm unboxing, okay? This month is a special month because I am doing the BoxyCharm Luxe box. And then stay tuned till Wednesday so you guys can see the BoxyCharm base box unboxing as well. Also, if you guys don't know, Ipsy and BoxyCharm are becoming one. So yeah, that's also exciting. So definitely make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can get all of the goodies. Also, on Wednesday, your girl is going to the Ipsy Creator Summit. I'm super excited. This is my second time being invited. I am so honored and blessed. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging that. So like I said, follow, put that post notification bell because that video will be coming probably next Monday. So yeah, now for this chit chat, let's just jump into it. So we are unboxing the Luxe box today, period. So yeah, this is the Luxe box we're unboxing, and yes, I love getting the Luxe box. Whoa, everything is just like falling out of it. So hold on, let me get all of the papers that fell out. Or was it just one paper? I hate when that happens. Okay, I think it was just one paper. Yeah, one paper fell out. So, like I said, they are collabing. Well, not collabing. They are merging with Ipsy. So, yeah, here's how we're leveling up your membership. Same name, new destination. Basically, this paper just tells you all the information. I will leave it down below for y'all so y'all can check out all the information. But, you know, it comes with the handy dandy BoxyCharm information card, and it just basically tells you everything that is coming in this box. So let's just get into it. Oh, I looked in the box and I see something from my favorite brand. Y'all already know. If you watched my last Ipsy, my last BoxyCharm Luxe box unboxing, then you should already know what my favorite brand is. But if you don't know, of course, it's Miss Fenty Beauty, okay? Period. This is the Hydra Reset Intense Recovery Hand Mask. Honestly, my hands have been so dry due to washing my hands 24/7 and this dry ass water here in LA. So I am excited. I'm definitely going to try this out tonight. But yes, this is an intensive recovery hand mask. This mask deeply hydrates and revitalizes hands overnight with 40% moisture. Okay, locking glycerin, fruit oils, and plant extracts for cloud soft hands. And this retails for $22 because don't nobody want to be holding nobody's hands that's crusty, okay? So yes, get into it. Next, let's talk about this has like Egyptian writing on it. I don't know if you guys can really see, but yeah, what is this? Drama. What is this? Oh, right here. This is from Uma Beauty. Salute to the Sun is the Drama Bomb Mascara. This is their bestseller and is now dripping in gold. Came through dripping, drip, drip, period. The unique hourglass shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume, while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. Honestly, I really need that because I'm tired of my real lashes looking like freaking nubs, okay? This retails for $19.50. And of course it comes in black. I mean, I would hope so. And ooh, here is the bottle. And I mean, it's your regular, handy dandy wand. Nothing like that fantastic about it. But if this does help your lashes grow and stay healthy, I am all down for it. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna grab this because I like the way this box looks. This is from, how do you pronounce this brand? I've seen this brand in a lot of BoxyCharm boxes and I don't know how to pronounce this brand. LYS Liss Beauty Complexions Brush Duo effortlessly buff liquid, cream, and powder products into the skin with these densely packed brushes that seamlessly distribute product for an undetectable finish. Wow. Created with soft synthetic hair, these brushes maximize coverage while minimizing the amount of product needed for a finished result you will love. This retails for $30. I probably wish I would have opened this box before I did my makeup because I totally would have tried this. But I always say, comment down below if y'all want to see me try these products and stuff. And your girl is like in need of new brushes. So, oh, it's pink. Y'all know pink is my favorite color. So yes, I guess this is a foundation brush. It tells you. I was about to say this seems like a foundation brush. Ooh, it's soft. So we got a cute little foundation brush, and then what's the next brush? Probably for like contour. What does it say? Sculpting, bronzing, contour, bronzer. And here we are. I love this. Oh, I love soft brushes. You can never have enough brushes, especially somebody like me who does her makeup like 5 times a week. You can just never have enough. One thing I really do like about BoxyCharm is that they really make sure, especially with like their more delicate things, that they put it in bubble wrap. And I love that because I hate when like you get things delivered to you and it's not packed right. So like the freaking palette is all broke up and stuff. I hate that. So that's my favorite part about BoxyCharm. And that's not me, you know, like being dramatic. That's like for real, for real. But here's the colors on this. Oh, that was too close. Here's the colors. These are colors that I feel like we haven't seen in a while in BoxyCharm boxes. So thank you for this. And this is from, let's get into it. This is from, why can't I find the icon? Is this it? Or am I, hold on. Okay, this is from the Mellow Cosmetics. And this is the Sinofia eyeshadow palette. Say hello to a second permanent eyeshadow palette that can be used to create fiery orange red eye looks or just a simple neutral shimmery and wearable day look. This retails for $30. I was just about to say, like, it has like all colors that you can like use to achieve different looks. So let's get into it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This blue right here, hold on. I don't know if you can see this blue, but it's giving like electric blue vibes. I'm not like, I don't explore that much with my eyeshadows, but maybe I will. I will try. I want to try. Like I really want to perfect like my eyeshadow skills. Okay, so, okay. We have a fat Drunk Elephant product right here. This is the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub, okay? Because trust me, if you're somebody like me who wears products in their hair because you have to, this will definitely come in handy. A supercharged AHA/BHA acid blend that breaks down and dissolves dead skin cells and styling product buildup, while biodegradable gentle exfoliating beads sweep them away. This retails for $36, and also Drunk Elephant is new to the Boxy family. So this is the first time Drunk Elephant has been a part of BoxyCharm, which is really surprising because I would have thought that they would have been collabed with Drunk Elephant, but I'm excited. This is like my first Drunk Elephant product, honestly. Trying to see if it smells like anything or does it have a wrapper on it. Probably has a wrapper on it, but it has like this, like, you know, squeezable tip, which was good to really get into the scalp, so you're not like just pouring it and then like having to do that. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about trying it because like I said, because it is NBA season still, so I'm putting a lot of products in my hair, and it's good to like break that stuff up in my scalp. Next, we hail from Iconic London. This is the multi-use lip and cheek palette. Wow, I feel like I've never gotten a lip and cheek palette in BoxyCharm, at least that I can remember. It says create a fresh face, a pretty flush, and a pop of pout, enhancing color. Featuring 6 multi-use dewy cream shades, this easy-to-use palette provides an instant pick-me-up to the complexion. This retails for $55. So I wonder if these is one of the palettes that like, this is for lips and cheeks, like you can use the same colors for both, or if it's gonna be like two different. I hate when these palettes come so like, I'm trying to open it and I have no nails, so I can't really, I'm gonna have to tear this box open. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's get into it. Ooh. ASMR. There you go, for the people that like that. Okay, I'm not trying to break the nails that I do have. Okay, these are beautiful colors. So here are the shades. So yeah, these I feel like you can use it on both your lips and cheeks. So definitely excited. I feel like for sanitary reasons, I would not put a brush on here unless I just strictly plan on just using that straight for my cheeks. But yeah, I like these colors. I'm excited to try this out. I'm not really a cream blush girl. Like I have one cream blush from Fenty Beauty that I use occasionally. I kind of forget about it because it's not in my game day bag, and that's when I tend to do my makeup. But I do like cream blushes, so definitely gonna try that out. Next we have one more item after this one. This is from Kate Somerville. Okay, let's get Kate Somerville Hydracate Recharging Serum with Hyaluronic Acid, inspired by Kate's LA Clinic micro channeling treatment, and ideal for anyone looking for revived plump skin after a big week or late night out. It contains Aquaport technology that mimics micro channeling to unlock water pathways that deliver faster, deeper, lasting hydration. This retails for $78. I'm definitely gonna try this out. For Christmas, I got a like facial steamer, and so I've been giving myself facials at home, which is so good. But here's the bottle. So I can't wait to try this out. I love any type of serum or product that promotes hydration, because if you don't know, I do suffer from dry skin. Plus to me, LA water is just so drying, it's so harsh. So I feel like I need all of the products that puts that hydration back into my face. And last we have, oops, not it being open. This is from Kat Von D Beauty, KVD Beauty, Tattooed Pencil Liner. An ultra smooth, transfer resistant gel pencil eyeliner that has the iconic waterproof all day wear of the best-selling tattoo liner. This pencil liner sets fast to lock in place on your lids and in your waterline. It's high pigmented, versatile, and easy to use, so you can line it, smudge it, or graphic. This retails for $22. Honestly, I really love Kat Von D's like tattoo line. Like literally, their stuff is so good. I used to use the Kat Von D tattoo, like the foundation that's supposed to be used to cover up tattoos. I have it just in case like I have to have like go on auditions that need me to cover up my tattoos, which is very, very rare. But I have it, and it's so good. Very, very full coverage. But I'm excited to use this liner. So yes, that was the last product in the box. Shout out to BoxyCharm for gifting me this box. Y'all know, I love BoxyCharm. I love receiving these products because honestly, getting like makeup subscription boxes or just subscription boxes in general, to me, it makes you try things that like either you wanted to try or that you never would have bought yourself, or try brands that you never heard of or you heard of and just never tried. I just love subscription boxes because it's a great way to introduce yourself to new things. So yeah, comment down below and let me know if y'all are here for this Ipsy BoxyCharm merger. And yes, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.